Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Scrapblooms 4-pack Classroom Caddy, perfect for kids' rooms and schools. Each caddy measures 11.8 by 5.1 by 9.5 inches, fitting easily on desks or shelves. Made from FDA-certified heavy-duty polypropylene, these caddies are sturdy, safe, and built to last. Featuring 6 spacious compartments with 2.76-inch apertures, they hold pencils, markers, scissors, glue sticks, and even a cup of coffee. The built-in handle makes carrying around the classroom or home simple and convenient. Ideal for organizing supplies, color-coding group work, or giving as thoughtful reward gifts. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.